This is going to be a very short video where we are looking at the holidays in Malawi. These are not national holidays, but oh sorry, yes, they are national holidays, not international holidays. What am I thinking about? It's almost midnight, but I had to do this. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Okay, so holidays, mazuva ya kupumula. Mazuva is the days, ya of kupumula is rest. So holidays, mazuva ya kupumula, or we can say holiday. Tripa holiday, meaning you are on holiday. So on 1st of February, this is an international thing, Chakachipia. But the way we celebrate it also in our own way. But we have 15th of January, which is called Chilembwe Day. Chilembwe was one of the freedom fighters. And so this day started not long ago. We normally just used to celebrate, to mark the day on 3rd March, to remember all our martyrs, people who were killed under the British colony as the locals were fighting for independence. So on 3rd March, it's a day we observe. It's a day of sorrow. Okay. In April, we mark the crucifixion of Jesus for Christians. So usually it's also holiday. I put it there. You would think, okay, is it not international? But I also feel like not all countries observe that. So I'm saying here, Yesu vakamkhomera pamtanda or pampinjika. They crucified. Yes, he was crucified on the cross. So Jesus was crucified on the cross. That's what this holiday is about. And finally, 6th July, this is our Independence Day, when we got independence in 1964. Yeah. Yes, Malawi became, I think they say, a republic in 1964 and the independence in 1966 or something like that, or vice versa, one of those. But yeah, 6th July is a big day. We mark the day we were in court, in courts, were free from colonization. So in Chitumbuka, dazi la kupokera ufuru witu. Dazi is day, kupokera is receiving, ufuru is freedom, witu ours. Dazi la kupokera ufuru witu. Okay. So this is it. Like I said, it's short and sweet. If you have anything that you want me to address, do let me know. Of course, I will say this when I'll be sharing the lessons learned at some point again. There is like AI on in the YouTube studio now, so maybe it's me who has just discovered it late, but it's there. So it has really given me a summary of what content is most liked, what questions people are asking, because sometimes I do see questions but sometimes don't see all the questions. So it has given me an insight into what I can make more videos on, and things that people you want me to address, because apparently there are some questions I haven't seen them, I haven't answered, I haven't responded, thanks to AI. So AI is not that all bad, much as I don't really trust what it's coming with the AI. Thank you so much, and bye.